Gentlemen, what if I told you that just 30 seconds could be the difference between finishing too early and lasting as long as you want in bed? Not hours of training, not expensive supplements, just 30 seconds of a science-backed method that urologists have been quietly recommending for years. Today, I'm going to show you exactly what that method is and how you can use it tonight. Before we start, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and drop a comment telling me where you're watching from. Let's bust the biggest myth about lasting longer. Most men think premature ejaculation is about willpower. If I just think about something else, I can control it. Wrong. Here's the reality. It's not about your mind. It's about your nervous system. When you're aroused, your sympathetic nervous system goes into overdrive. Heart rate spikes, breathing gets shallow, and when it hits a threshold, ejaculation becomes automatic. That's why thinking about baseball doesn't work. But there's good news. Your parasympathetic nervous system, your rest and digest mode, can literally slow down the arousal process. That's the 30-second method. I'm Dr. Amara Cruz, a board-certified urologist with 12 years of experience. The men who last longer aren't the most experienced. They understand their biology and use techniques that work with their body, not against it. Here's the method. It's called the squeeze and breathe technique. Step 1. Recognize your point of no return. On a scale of 1 to 10, most men reach the point of no return around 7 or 8. Catch yourself at a 6 or 7 before you cross that line. Step 2. Stop all stimulation. When you hit that level, pause completely. Stop thrusting. This control is what she'll actually appreciate. Step 3. Apply the squeeze. Use your thumb and forefinger to apply firm pressure just below the head where the shaft meets the glands. Hold for 5 seconds. You're compressing the urethra and sending a signal to your nervous system. Not yet. Step 4. Deep belly breathing. Take 3 slow deep breaths, in through your nose, out through your mouth. Each breath lasts about 5 seconds. This activates your parasympathetic nervous system, lowers your heart rate, and pulls you out of arousal overdrive. Step 5. Return gradually. After 15 to 30 seconds, the urgency drops from a 7 to a 4 or 5. Resume slowly. Don't jump back into high intensity. You've just reset your arousal, you've shown control, and you've bought yourself 10 times longer than before. Make this even more powerful. Practice solo first. Get comfortable recognizing your levels and applying the technique before trying it with a partner. Communicate. Tell her what you're doing. I'm learning to last longer for us. She'll find this attractive. Train your pelvic floor, the muscles that stop urination control ejaculation. Kegel exercises. Squeeze 5 seconds, release 5 seconds, 10 reps, 3 times daily, will strengthen your control. Gentlemen, here's the bottom line. Lasting longer isn't about genetics. It's about understanding your body and using science-backed techniques. The 30-second squeeze and breathe method works. It's discreet, effective, and works at any age. Next time you feel that point of no return, pause, squeeze, breathe. Just 30 seconds gives you 10 times the stamina. If this helped you, like this video so more men can find it. Subscribe for more life-changing advice, and comment below. Have you tried this technique? What questions do you have? Remember, your age does not define your vitality. Small changes create freedom, confidence, and satisfaction. I'm Dr. Amara Cruz, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of your health, your body, and your relationships, because you deserve nothing less.